Good morning, Sadie. Come here. Good throw, Cooper. Yeah. Well, I'm not a whole lot of a morning person, but you can't beat a whole lot of mornings like this. We had a good hearty breakfast that Grandma made, and now we're out here enjoying the beautiful, a little bit crisp weather, getting ready for our morning. So Grandma's out here in the garden, probably finding us some raspberries or something. So as far as morning goes, this is pretty sweet. Especially when your view is like this. I can't believe the colors are already changing. But this is the view I grew up with. So yes, I was pretty spoiled having a view in a backyard like this. But we worked hard. Everything that we did in our yard, we did by ourselves. When we got 4 boys in the family, Mom and Dad made sure that they got to work back here. So.
There, now do you think you can carry it? It's pretty heavy now.
It'll be heavy. You're gonna slosh it on your shoes.
Don't be carry it for you.
You find a strawberry in Grandma's garden? Yeah, let's wash it off and then you can eat it, okay? Wash off that strawberry.
I'm looking for some strawberries.
All right, kids, you wanted to go on a 4-wheeler ride? That wasn't very much of a 4-wheeler ride, but we got to get this log splitter set up. And then we've got all of these logs that need to be split. The rule in Grandma's house growing up and the rule in our house is if you want to go play, if we want to go on a 4-wheeler ride and play and do other fun stuff, we got to do the work first, okay? We're going to split these logs for Grandpa and Grandma so we can have some fire pits back here. It's work that's getting ready for our fun. We're going to enjoy this beautiful view and get to work. Ready, set, go! We forgot your gloves, huh? Okay.
Just don't split your hand, please.
Yeah, no thanks.
No, that like makes me nervous for some reason. That's kind of cool. I heard you're Dad's little helper today. Have you been working hard?
You're the only one working.
I know the other 2 ran off and played with stuff.
Good job.
Is it just one snake?
I think so, but it's a big snake. This one's a big snake. Let's see if we can get it before he goes away too far. Come out here, buddy. Oh boy, he is holding on.
Really?
Yeah, come here,
Pretty
buddy.
strong.
He's wrapped his head around the other side of that log.
Ew, yeah, you're gonna like yank it.
Let's see.
We
Where is
could
it?
go through.
Oh, I can see its
I'll
head.
get the spray for the
It's
water.
smelling. No, it's smelling.
Where's? Oh, it's right here.
It's smelling stuff.
Was it going down? Yep, he's slipping down in between the logs.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
it's down there.
That is a
Do you still see it, Emma?
big snake.
No, it's.
Oh!
See him right there?
Yes!
It's a pair of gloves.
Did you guys see the video of when we held Abby's snake? Abby has a snake and Emma had it wrapped around her neck. This is a different kind of snake, but do you guys like snakes? I don't like snakes.
Joel hates snakes.
He does.
At the tree the other day, we found a snake and he would not touch it.
Oh, Joel, that little wimpy guy.
Joel. Let's find that snake.
Everyone watch out, Grandma has snake killer.
It's just hornets killer, but it's getting in my eyes too.
Don't like hornets either.
Let's just kill everyone.
Okay.
Cooper's over here trying to make Lucy laugh. Can you do it again?
Boing. Boing. Boing.
Oh, we love baby giggles.
My turn, Silva.
All right, I think Lucy's all out of giggles for now. We've got to recharge her with some food and sleep.
Boing. And then we can do it tomorrow.
That's right. Is it raining? He just ran out there, like literally the second he ran out there, it started raining. Landon is out in the back still chopping wood. Hopefully he's done soon. You're getting rained on. Can you smell the cows? This is called Countryland, Cooper. The real reason why we stayed at Landon's parents' house is because Landon is getting together. We are getting together with some old high school friends. Do you guys still get together with your high school friends? They're now married and we've all got kids, and so it's just gonna be a grand old time. But we are in charge of drinks. Am I dark? There we go. We are in charge of drinks and treats. All right, here's the traditional friend picture.
What if it bites me?
They're nice.
This is the perfect way to end the night with these cute little babies. Hey, where's your eyeballs?
You can't keep his head up.
No, look how strong his head is.
You're too tired.
That's a really strong head. Oh, this would be a cute picture. Should we do a picture like this?